Write one word in the chat. How are you guys feeling? Great. Dipti, Shruti, how is the dil? Feeling great, very nice, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, do you know why did we start the session with a beautiful dance? Why did I play the music? It's not about dance. It's not about how do you look like. It's not about how do you dance it's not about how do you groove like that. It's not like that. Why did we start the session with a high note of dance? Can anybody tell me why? Manvi, Shruti, Dipti, why did we start the session with a high note of energy? I told you yesterday as well, but yeah, Manvi was not there. So I want to ask you, why
क्या
did we
करेगा अभी?
start the session with a, what do you think?
पानी गर्म किया है। नहा के आजा
Yes. Why did we start with the dance? Because this is what I believe. Massive energy leads to massive success. Energy, yes, energy. So it's about energy. Money loves energy. Success loves energy. Poonam loves energy. Deepti loves energy. Manvi, Shruti, they also love energy. Everything in this world depends on energy only. Right? So that's why this is what I believe. Massive energy leads to massive success. If you change your physiology, it changes your psychology. You know, sometimes it happens we don't feel great and we are not feeling very happy or we are sad. At that point of time, if we change our physiology, it changes our psychology. We start feeling better. If we feel better, we do better. And if we do better, we know better. And if we know better, we do better. And if we do better, we get better results. So first thing starts with the feeling. If we feel better, we do better, we do better, we know better, we know better, we do better, and we get beautiful results. Isn't it? So that's why we started the session with a high note of energy. Everything on this world depends on energy. Money loves energy, success loves energy. Right? Okay. So what did we talk about in yesterday's session? In yesterday's session, we talked about the wheel of life. How does your wheel of life look like? So let me show you the recap. Is it fine if I go with the recap? What did we do in the yesterday's session? Let me show you. Let me share my screen one more time, right? So what did we do yesterday so that you can, because one or two members, they were not there in yesterday's session. See, this is your wheel of life look like. Okay, so I told you that you have to draw these 10 circles, and for each and every circle you had to give a number 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 10. Bigger circle is 10, the smaller circle is 1, and then you had to divide these this wheel of life. This is your wheel of life. This is everybody's wheel of life. So you had to divide this circle into 8 parts: personal growth, finance, family and friends, career, fun and recreation, romance and love, spirituality and health. So you already know now where do you stand in your health, where do you stand in your personal growth, and then what you had to do, you had to join the dots. So like that I told you how you had to join the dots. So, in this way, you had to join the dots. Where do you stand in your health, in your career, in your finance, in your personal growth, in your fun and recreation? And in this way, you had to join. So, see, how does it look like? How does it look like? So, this is your wheel of life. So, now somebody made, South Africa ka map, and somebody's map was looking like India, somebody's map was looking like rectangle, somebody's map was looking like hexagon. So, this is our wheel of life. Okay, so let me, yes. And I showed you one more wheel of life. Wait. Yes. This is another wheel of life with beautiful colors. Okay, so now you know where do you stand in your health or personal growth and if one of the tires of, we all are the drivers of our life. So we are driving a car, isn't it? We are driving our family, right? So if one of the tires is punctured, if one of the tires is flat, okay, so how will be your life? Okay, so it will be a bumpy ride, isn't it? If one of the tires is flat, so it will be a bumpy ride. And we are expecting that our life should be like this is our dream life, this is a dream cycle. But in reality, how does it look like? This is looking like this, right? So somebody gave for health 2 or 3 marks. Somebody's health is not perfect, somebody's career is not perfect, somebody's growth is not perfect, somebody's like there is no love in their life, उनको गुस्सा बहुत आता है, they have guilt issues, they have fear issues, they have confidence issues, they have courage issues, they have fear issues, right? So this is the reality of your life. How does your cycle look like? And then first we talked about the problem, then we came to the solution, and for that solution I gave you one riddle. So this was the riddle that you had to solve. Whoever has dash will be given more and he or she will have an abundance. जिसके पास है उसके पास abundance होगा. Whoever does not have, जिसके पास नहीं है उसके पास कुछ नहीं रहेगा. Okay, so that was the riddle that I gave you. And what is the answer of this? If you try to figure out what is this riddle trying to tell you, what is this riddle all about? Okay, let me stop sharing. Yes, what is this riddle all about? Whoever has, that person, he or she will be given more. Who doesn't have, whatever he or she has, that also will be taken away. So isn't it looking like that this is the injustice? अनजस्ट, जिसके पास है उसको बहुत मिलने वाला है, उसके पास एबंडेंस में होगा, और जिसके पास पहले से ही कुछ नहीं है, जो उसके पास है बेचारे के पास, वो भी ले लिया जाएगा. Isn't it injustice? Are you guys feeling like that? But that is the riddle, and this is a riddle that we have taken a long years back, 4-5 years back. So this was a mystery for each and every one. Nobody was able to solve this riddle. Many people tried, many people were looking for the answer, but some of the people who were like great scientists and very visionary people, yeah, Halima is writing gratitude. Yeah, the answer is gratitude. If we are grateful for what we already have, the God, the universe will give us more reasons to be grateful for. But if we don't have anything, if we are not very grateful for what we already have, whatever we have, that also will be taken away. So the answer is gratitude. I told about two very important emotions. The first emotion is happiness. Happiness should be your first priority. Happiness should be at the top. Okay, so then we talked about the solution. Okay, so you had to pick up 3 areas in which you have got very less marks, less than 5. Okay, so you picked up 3 areas in which you people are facing some problems. Okay, so you wrote down that time, and I told you that you have to pick up one thing that you have to keep at the top. What is your topmost priority? Okay, so earlier in the month of January, February, March, my top priority was my health. So that's why I enrolled myself in some of the health programs. I was a part of Fit Bharat Mission. Right now also I'm the part of Fit Bharat Mission, where I started working upon my, detox, weight reduce, and yoga, exercise, meditation kind of things. And I reduced 4 kgs weight. I was 65 and now I am 61 in last 3 months. So that was my health goal for last 3 months, January, February, March, and I achieved that. And for these 3 months, from 1st April to June, April, May, June, my goal is I have to build my career, strong career. I have to be strong in my stable footing in my career. I'm talking about career. So career is going to be my first priority. So for building that priority, so you had to choose these 3 areas, and you chose and you kept one. Okay, so your is also like career. Career is at the top. So for career, you have to build your new identity. Like for career, my identity is I have to take massive actions. I'm the massive action taker. I'm the massive action taker. I'm the massive action taker. So that is my new identity. And for that, we have to build some new routine. We have to build some new rituals that I have started doing my morning rituals. I started doing my evening rituals as well. Right? So that you have to do, because you cannot create the new reality with your old mentality. If you want to create something, because if you are doing the same thing again and again, you will see the same result. If you want to see the different result, you will have to start doing something different. So what is that different thing that you would like to start from today, from 1st April? So 1st April is not 1st April for me. It's like 1st January, the new financial year, the new year. So the way we set the new goals, every year we set some new desires, we set some new goals in our life. So similarly, 1st April is not 1st April for me. So 1st April is the like 1st January for me, and we have to set some goals in our life. And I set the goals for April, May, June. That my topmost priority will be my career, and I have already created my new identity. I am going to be the massive action taker. So that's why this year I'll be making more reels. Okay, there will be a lot of social media presence, and you are going to see on my YouTube, on my Facebook, and on my Insta. You will see me everywhere making and posting so many things, and I have already started taking massive action. So that's why you can see this is a part of my action, whatever actions I'll be taking. So this is also one of them that I have started taking actions. So that's why you people are here in front of me, right? So I'll be giving you these 5 sessions. So where we'll be talking about problems. Yesterday we talked about problems, and today we'll be talking about solutions. So I already gave you some solution that you have to create new identity, then new routine and new rituals, right? And what was the second thing that you have to start doing? The second emotion, the first emotion, happiness. Because when you are happy, you can create anything, you can achieve anything in your life. If you want to achieve something, something in your life, if you want to be something in your life, if you want to have something in your life, so you will have to start doing something in your life, isn't it? Do, be, and have. You know, as a grammar coach, also I used to teach these 3 verbs: do, be, and have. If you want to be something, if you want to have something, you will have to do something in your life. So start doing. So you have to start taking massive actions. So what are the 3 things that you will be starting? That for me, I'll be making more reels, I'll be taking more sessions, right? So these are the things that I'll be showing my social media presence everywhere. Okay, and today I don't know whether you have seen or not. Day before yesterday there was the podcast, and today it is released, and I have sent my link everywhere so that you people can watch it. Okay, so that was what, that was my massive action taker, because I am the massive action taker. I have started taking massive actions, right? So that is the thing, and you have to see for yourself what actions you are going to take in these 3 months, because 1st April is not 1st April, 1st April is 1st January. Are you guys with me? Are you guys learning? Yes, very good, very nice. Okay, so now what you have to do is, I am opening the group. You are the part of New Me WhatsApp group. So you have to go to that group. Let me open the group, and what you have to type there. Go to the WhatsApp group. I have opened the group, and you have to type there, ready to create the magic. Ready to create the magic. Go to the WhatsApp group, New Me group, and you have to type there, ready to create the magic, because we are ready to create the magic. Yes, come on, everyone. Manvi, Dipti, Abhinav, Halima, Ashwini. You people, please go to the New Me WhatsApp group and type there, ready to create the magic. Yeah, very good. Thank you, Dipti. Thank you so much. So then we will start our main session where we'll be talking about the solution. What is the solution? I have already told you. I told you in yesterday's session that this book, this magic book, is the solution for all the challenges, all your problems, whatever you are facing in your life. This is the magic. This is the thing that created magic in my life as well. When I started my journey as a life and mindset coach, so I was also struggling a lot, and I spoke a lot about myself. How did I start my journey as a coach, and how did I start my journey as a mindset coach as well? When I saw people struggling with career, that courage issues and confidence issues, that language was not the problem, confidence was the problem, courage was the problem. So that's why I enrolled myself in mindset coaching, and I invested lakhs and lakhs of rupees last year on my personal development, on that life and mindset coaches, so that I can not only help with the language, I can help with their mindset as well. Because what is mindset shift according to me? According to me, the mindset shift is when you look at the problems with a different perspective. Okay, when you look at the situation with a different perspective. Okay, so you don't see your pain as a pain, you see it as a power. You don't see your problem, that is your opportunity of growth. So problem equal to opportunity of growth. Are you guys getting it? Your pain is not your pain. That is your power. Your wounds are not your wounds. That is your wisdom. You stop focusing on confusion. You start focusing on clarity. You stop focusing on fear. You start focusing on courage. You stop focusing on negativity. You shift your mind from negativity to positivity. That is your mindset shift, because mindset shift is very important. Why mindset shift is very important? Because see, people may have skills, people may have knowledge, people may have experience, but if they don't have that mindset to learn anything, to grow, to try, nothing is going to work. Your mindset decide that how far you will be reaching, how far you will be using your skills, your knowledge and your experiences. So that is called mindset shift, where you stop saying why me, you start saying what's for me. What is this situation trying to teach me? What is this? Why is this problem in my life? What is this problem trying to teach me? What do I need to learn from this situation? When you stop saying why me, you start saying try me. You stop saying why me, you start saying why not me? If not me, who? You stop saying I can't do it, you start saying what can I do? You stop saying, I can't do, you start saying, what can I do? How can I do? I will figure it out. Bring it on. I will figure it out something to resolve this issue. So that is called mindset shift. Are you guys getting my point? What is mindset shift? Because mindset shift is very important. You know, when for 15 years, when I got married in 2004 to 20, when I was at home for 14, 15 years, you know what I was lacking? I was lacking confidence, I was lacking courage, but mindset was always there. Yeah, I'll be doing something, I'll be doing something, I'll be doing something, I'll be achieving something, because I had a lot many desires in my life, because I was a teacher, okay, for 15 years when I was at home. But mindset was there. If you have that mindset, na, courage can be built, confidence can be built, communication skill can be built, anything can be built. But if you don't have that mindset to grow, you will not be doing anything in your life. You will be just sitting at home like this. Everybody sit like this. Sit, 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 sit. Yeah, everybody sit like this. Yeah, you are just sitting and sitting and sitting and sitting. So universe is also sitting like this. When Dipti will be taking any action, when Manvi will be taking any action, when Halima will be taking, let them take action, then I'll be giving them abundance and everything. Right? So you have to start taking action. You have to start taking action. Right? So two important emotion, happiness. So your happiness should be your first priority. And second thing is gratitude. So this book, this whole book is all about gratitude. Okay. So today onwards, we will start working on our solutions. So what is the solution? Solution is this book only. So for coming 30 days continuously, because we cannot, if we start this book, if we start reading the first chapter, after that we cannot miss even a single day. Otherwise, so that is the protocol of this book. We cannot leave even one single chapter. We have to go one by one after another. Because in this book there are total 28 chapters. I showed you the whole list, that what are the chapters and how we will be going ahead. Because once we start the first chapter, we cannot miss even a single. This is not the reading book. This is the doing book. So you can do the whole book along with me. Otherwise, these 5 days you can join, and after that you can read by your own. But you cannot miss even a single day. Otherwise, you will have to go back and you will have to start from the beginning. आपको तीन तीन चैप्टर पीछे जाना पड़ेगा. Then you will have to start from there. Okay, so do I have your permission? Can we start the book today? So first we will be reading the introduction part, acknowledgement, and each and everything word by word, because we don't have to miss even a single word. This book may take 30 to 33 days, because in this book there are total 28 chapters, right? Yesterday we talked about problems and today we'll be talking about the solution. So today we are going to start this book. So do I have your permission? So please write in the chat box PG, permission granted. Yeah, permission granted. Write PG in the chat box so that we can start reading our book. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, dear. Let me bring the book on the screen. Yes, is this screen visible to all of you? Is this book visible? So this is the solution of all your challenges or problems, whatever you are facing, whether it is health issues, whether it is wealth issues or relationship issues or emotions issues, or if you have any career issues. So this is the one-stop solution. And this is not just we will be reading. I'll be giving you my last 5 years experiences, what I have learned in this coaching industry. I am in this coaching industry from last 5 years, and I have learned a lot about health, about relationship, about wealth. How did I create money? How did I start from 3 lakh to 3 crore rupees? So this is a long journey that I shared in yesterday's session. So how did I create a tremendous wealth in last 2 years? Through this book only, by reading this book only, not only by reading, by doing the practices. So I'll be hand holding you, I'll be supporting you that how you have to do, and how you have to complete your all the practices. Yesterday I gave you some homeworks as well. Do you remember? You had to watch that. I shared that link in the group as well. You had to watch that secret movie. I hope you all have seen. If you haven't seen, so after today's session, because that is very important. Because this magic book is one of the, series from Rhonda Byrne's book. So there is this movie, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, that you have to watch. That is a documentary, very important to watch that movie. You will understand each and everything. This magic book is the series from there only, right? Okay, so first we will be reading this acknowledgement. So yesterday I didn't read, but we have to start from here. This is really, really very important that we have to be grateful. Okay, so see, acknowledgement. When I first sit down to write a book, the creation begins as a joyful yet solitary one. There is just the universe and me. So she's saying, when I started to write a book, and I believe that. Universe and me, we both were there only. Universe and me, we started with two only. With me there was only universe. So then gradually the circle begins to widen. Do you remember when we started our journey as a very small child? When we were born, we were very small. So when slowly and slowly gradually, when we started growing up, we started to get so many people, mother, father, then sibling, then dadi, dada, so many people came into our life slowly gradually when we were growing up and up and up like that. So then gradually the circle begins to widen, encompassing more and more people started to come in our life, all of whom contribute their expertise, until finally you are holding the creation of a new book in your hands. The following people were a part of the ever widening circle of creation that allowed the magic to reach you. So, why I am telling you this thing? Let me tell you. So, we will not be reading the whole acknowledgement. You can read it by your own at home. So, I'll be sharing you the PDF, but this is highly recommended that you have to buy this book, this physical book. So, this is a kind of, Bhagavad Gita. This is a kind of Guru Granth Sahib. This is a kind of Bible. So everybody on this planet Earth should have this book on their, in their home. So you have to buy this book physically, and wherever you feel like you have to underline something, so you have to underline, because in this book there are so many bulbons and soul on movement you will find. And I'll be also teaching you with my experiences, like what I have learned. I'll be also giving you some bulbons so that you can make the note of it. So for this you have to make a new notebook. When we will be starting the first chapter, I'll be giving you some exercises as well. As I told you that this is not a reading book, this is a doing book, right? So what is this acknowledgement all about? So we have to acknowledge all those people in our life from the very beginning when we were born. So we have to thank each and every one. So right now I'm 44. Okay. So from the very beginning when I was born, so who all were the people, those who helped me to raise in my life? So first, how did I come to this planet Earth? From my parents only. So first I have to start acknowledging my parents. So I'm so grateful for my parents for bringing me on this planet Earth. So second, for my siblings with whom I used to play a lot. So after that, my grandparents. After that, my teachers. my all the gurus, my all the coaches, my all the mentors. Okay. And these are not the only people, so many others people as well, like vendors from where you used to buy, groceries, vegetables. And similarly, in this acknowledge part, what Rhonda Byrne is doing, Rhonda Byrne is giving thanks to each and every person who helped her to write this book, because writing this book was not very easy. So we have to have so many people in our life. We need editors, we need author, we need who printed this book. We need so many people to write this book. So that is a complete process. So we have to follow the process. So when I was born, from that particular date till now, I have to acknowledge each and every person. So you have to note it down. So minimum, if you will start writing now, you will see that how many people help you in your life to make you grow, help you to grow in your life. So you have to write down minimum 100 people, and you will be amazed to see not only 100, there were thousands and thousands and thousands of people. You have to mention each and every person. You have to take the name of each and every person. You don't have to miss even a single person. And you will be amazed, oh my god, this person also helped me, this person also helped me. यहाँ से मैंने पेन खरीदा, यहाँ से मैंने बुक्स खरीदी, यहाँ से मैंने बैग खरीदा, यहाँ से मैंने अपना यूनिफॉर्म खरीदा, यहाँ से मैंने वेजिटेबल खरीदा. So you will be amazed to see, and we have to acknowledge each and every person, and you have to make a note of it. So that is going to be your first homework for today. So that acknowledgement part you will be reading at home, because there are many people. She has mentioned so many people, her daughters, editor, author, publisher. So we have to write down each and every name of the person who helped us to grow in our life. Our parents, grandparents, vendors, doodh wala, sabji wala, fruit wala, we have to mention each and every person. Stationery wala, grocery wala, you don't have to miss even a single person. You will be amazed to see. So that is going to be your homework for the day. So acknowledgement you have to read by your own. So now we are starting the main chapter, the first thing. Before we start the chapter, there are some other things as well. Okay, so we are starting from, yeah. So contents that we have read in yesterday's session, so you can read by your own as well. So first today we will be starting from, do you believe in magic? And after that, a great mystery is revealed. So what is this mystery which is revealed? This magic book only, this gratitude. Many people, they were trying to solve that puzzle, that riddle, but they were not able to. So now you know the answer. Gratitude is the key to success. If we are grateful, so we will be given more reasons to be grateful for. If you are not grateful for what you have, that also will be taken away. So that was the mystery. People were trying to solve that riddle. So what is the answer of that riddle? That is gratitude only. So now it is revealed. Only, bade Raja Maharaja, they people only knew that riddle. And they people didn't share it with anybody. Why didn't they share it with anybody? Because they were thinking that if they will be sharing all those things with poor people, so they will also become rich. So those who knew that this is the key to success, gratitude is the key to success, they didn't reveal it to anybody. Why? Because they didn't want anybody else to be rich. So that's why this whole knowledge was mystified. That was misunderstood by the people. But now you know the truth that gratitude is the key to success. Right? So let me share once again. A heart of gratitude is a magnet of miracles, that I always say and use in my all the sessions. Bring the magic into your life. A magical book. This is really magical. And you can create, and you will start seeing small magics happening within these 5 days. And you will come and let me know, ma'am, yeah, I have seen this magic. It is not about very, big magics. You will start seeing small magics, like as if right now I am sitting on my this table chair. Okay, so I'm feeling like drinking the coffee. So it might possible that your husband will be bringing the coffee, and he will be making the coffee, and he will bring, and he will say, Puna, would you like to have coffee? So this is also the magic. I am just thinking and sitting here. That is magic for me, that I was just thinking or coffee ka cup aa gaya. So you will also start initially, when you will start doing these kind of practices with me, within these 5 days, you will start seeing small magic happening in your life. So how the magic unfolds, start unfolding in your life. You will see the magic by your own self. Okay, so let me share once again. So all these chapters, these are the content, and day one, count your blessing. We'll be counting our all the blessings, the magic rock. So that we have read yesterday. So I'm going to the this. Do you believe in magic? Look at this. Guys, do you believe in magic? Please give me one word in the chat. Yes or no. Do you believe in magic? Look at this beautiful picture. How magic is happening in this picture. There is a row. Beautiful. How the magic is unfolding in front of your eyes. Something is sprinkling. This is a kind of magic. Do you believe in magic? Because if you don't believe in magic, you will not see the magic. So give me one word in the chat. Do you believe in magic? Yes or no? Y or N? You can write Y or N. I just want to see. Do you believe in magic? Because those who don't believe in magic, they will not see magic. Yeah, Ashwini says yes. Guys, what do we call it? Fake it till you make it. If you don't believe in magic, it's okay, perfectly fine. There are many people that don't believe in magic. I also didn't used to believe in magic. मैं पहले नहीं करती थी believe. But when I read this book 2 years back, I started seeing small magic things happening in my life. Because as I told, this is not the, but for that, you will have to do some practices. Earlier, I didn't believe. When I started believing in magic, magic started happening in my life. So if you don't believe in magic, it's okay, perfectly fine. So what you have to do is fake it till you make it. As if magic happens. अभी बस ये बिलीव करो कि हाँ होता है. Because without believing it, you will not be able to see the magic. If you really want to see the magic, you will have to fake it till you make it. Okay. So when you will start seeing magic happening in your life, then you will say, yeah, then you will start believing it. And believe me, this happens. And this is going to happen. And you will come and you will say to me, yes, ma'am, it has already started in my life. Give yourself only 4 to 5 days. Okay. So do you believe in magic? Look at this beautiful picture, how the magic is happening. Because those who don't believe in magic will never find it. And that is the truth. And that is the magic of this book. So fake it till you make it. Remember, when you were a child, I hope this font is visible to you. Is it visible, guys? So let me increase. Yeah, although like I'll share the whole PDF with you, but I want you to have this physical book in your hand so that you can make the notes of it. So those who don't believe in magic will never find it. So today onwards, I'll go a little faster. Remember when you were a child and you looked at life in total wonder and awe. Life was magical and exciting, and the smallest things were utterly thrilling to you. You were fascinated by the frost on the grass, a butterfly flittering through the air, or any strange leaf or rock on the ground. Do you remember those days when you were very small? So, how we used to be amazed at each and every small thing. कैसे छोटी छोटी बातों पे. हैव यू सीन अ चाइल्ड होल्डिंग द, यू नो व्हेन वी यूज टू गो इनटू द बस, और वो कोई छोटा सा बच्चा जो पिलर को पकड़े हुए है एंड ही और शी इज लाइक हा 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 हा. Have you ever done that when we were very small? So remember when you were a child, we were so happy. We used to remain happy at all times. But अब क्या हुआ? As an adult, we have forgotten each and everything. We don't feel like feeling happy at all times now. What has happened to us? So do you remember those days when we were very fascinated by small things? कोई butterfly दिख गई, कोई कुछ grass पर देखो frost दिख गया. On small things, we used to be very happy. You were full of excitement when you lost a tooth, because it meant the tooth fairy would be coming that night and you would count down the days to that magical night of Christmas. Even though you had no idea how Santa Claus could get to every child in the world in one night, somehow he did it and he never let you down. Do you remember those days when we used to believe in Santa Claus? Our parents used to say कि Santa Claus आएगा and we will be getting the gift. We were able to believe that time. We believed that. And Santa Claus came as well in form of our parents, and they used to give us gifts. Do you remember those days when we believed each and everything around us? छोटे छोटे जो गुड्डे गुड़िया भी थी वो भी हमें असली के लगते थे, हम उसकी शादी कराते थे यार, काइंड ऑफ सो मेनी लाइक silly things we did that time. At that time we were so aligned to our own self. But right now what happened? अब हम इतने खुश क्यों नहीं रह पाते? Because we are not aligned with our own self. So slowly, gradually, when we will be reading, and you will start getting into your alignment as well. So see, reindeer could fly. There were fairies in the garden. Pets were like people. Toys had personalities. I told you, na, toys had personalities. Gudde gudiya, शादी कराते थे हम लोग. Dreams came true, and you could touch the stars. Your heart was full of joy. Your imagination knew no limits, and you believed that life was magical. We used to believe everything around us. सबका हम विश्वास कर लेते थे. And now तो we are not even believing the husband, the wife and kids, our parents, our in-laws. The whole life, what are we doing? We are just blaming, complaining, criticizing, judging. Throughout our life, we are just doing, giving, giving. But guys, no amount of doing can compensate for the misalignment of your being. अगर आपका खुद के साथ ही कनेक्शन टूटा हुआ है, you cannot build the connection with others. If you are not loving your own self, so how you can expect others that somebody will love you? If you are not respecting your own self, if your self-esteem is low, if your self-respect is low, if you are not loving yourself, if you are not respecting yourself, how can you expect others to love you? So that's why you are seeking love outside. That's why you are seeking respect outside, because we don't love ourselves, we don't respect ourselves. So that's why we are facing a lot many others issues as well in our life. So there is an okay, let me read. There is an exquisite feeling many of us had as children that everything is good, that every day promises more excitement and adventure, that nothing could ever thwart our joy for the magic of it all. But somehow, as we grew into adults, responsibilities, problems, and difficulties took their toll on us. We became disillusioned. We became logical. अब हम हर चीज को लॉजिकल वे से देखते हैं, ऐसा क्यों है, ऐसा क्यों है, ऐसा क्यों है. Guys, start believing in magic. Sometimes we say, now, luck. You are so lucky. You are so lucky. No, nothing is happening around you ऐसे ही नहीं हो रहा है आपके साथ कुछ भी. Nothing is happening around you without your energetic invitation, in form of people, in form of situation, in form of things. Sometimes people say, na, you are so lucky, aapko ye मिला. That was not luck. That was your energetic manifestation. That was your energetic invitation. There are many people, they say, I have toxic people in my life, I have that kind of husband, I have that kind of wife in my life. Why do they say like that? ऐसे ही नहीं कुछ भी होता है. That is your energetic manifestation. That is your energy. So you have to ask yourself, why? What about me is bringing this thing to me? What about me is bringing that kind of husband in my life? What kind of me is bringing that kind of in-laws? It has nothing to do with them. So we have to stop blaming, complaining. किसी की वजह से आपकी लाइफ में कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Like all these things I have built in last 2 years of my mindset coaching. I have also learned all these things. I was also not knowing all those things कि कैसे यार वो तो उसने ऐसा बोला ना, इसकी वजह से मैं ऐसा फील कर रही हूँ. No, I'm not angry because of anyone. I'm not feeling frustrated because of anyone. I'm not feeling irritated because of anyone. So when I started taking 100% responsibility of my actions, my emotions, my feelings, and my outcomes, magic started to happen in my life. So start taking responsibility of your actions, your emotions, or your feelings. Nobody has that power to do anything to you. You are fully grown adult. You are not a child. You are the smart woman. You are the smart men. Are you guys getting it? Are you guys with me? Show me your thumbs up. Virtual or physical, whatever. Show me your thumbs up. Yes, good. Okay. So the magic we once believed in as children faded and disappeared. It's one of the reasons why as adults we love to be around children so that we can experience that feeling we once had, even if it's just for a moment. So that's why we love to be with kids, because they are so full of joy, full of laughter, full of adventure. So that's why we love to be with them. We have lost our magic. We have become, disillusioned. We have become more logical. In everything we are finding the logic. So how we will unfold the magic in our life if we are being logical? I am here to tell you that the magic you believed in is true. Yes, magic is true. Magic hota hai, and it's the disillusioned adult perspective of life that is false. The magic of life is real, and it's as real as you are. In fact, life can be far more wondrous than you ever thought it was as a child, and more breathtaking, awe inspiring, and exciting than anything you have seen before. When you know what to do to bring forth the magic, you will live the life of your dreams. I repeat, when you know what to do to bring forth the magic, you will live the life of your dreams. अगर पता चल जाए मैजिक कैसे लाना है, you will be living the life of your dreams. Then you will wonder how you ever could have given up in believing in the magic of life. कि मैं कैसे भूल गई मैजिक को अपनी लाइफ में लाना. अब मुझे मैजिक क्यों नहीं दिखता? Because now we have become disillusioned or logical. You may not see reindeer fly. हो सकता है आपको रेंडियर उड़ते हुए नहीं दिखाई दे, बट यू विल सी द थिंग्स यू हैव ऑलवेज वांटेड अपीयरिंग बिफोर योर आईज. जो आपको चाहिए था वो आपको दिखना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. यू विल सी द थिंग्स यू हैव ड्रीम्ड ऑफ फॉर सो लॉन्ग सडनली हैपनिंग. Suddenly it will start to happen in your life. You will never know exactly how everything weave together for your dreams to come true, because magic works in the invisible realm, and that's the most thrilling part. It happens in invisible realm, it happens in quantum world, it happens in cosmic world. It happens, and that is the truth, and you will also start experiencing it. But for that you will have to start believing it, because if you don't believe it you will not achieve it. What you believe you achieve. Are you ready to experience the magic again? Are you ready to be filled with awe and wonder every day like when you were a child? Get ready for the magic. Our adventure begins 2000 years ago when life changing knowledge was hidden within a sacred text. The riddle that I gave you, it was hidden, and people were trying to figure it out, but they were not able to figure it out. That what is this riddle trying to teach me? They were not able to figure it out. A great mystery is revealed. Now you are going to learn that great mystery which was mystified, that was misunderstood, and that is this book, this magic. Now it is revealed. अब ये सबके सामने है. Now this is the riddle in front of you. The following passage comes from the Gospel of Matthew in the Holy Scriptures, and it has mystified, confused, and been misunderstood by many people over the centuries. Over the centuries, this was misunderstood. लोगों ने इसको गलत समझा, कंफ्यूज हो गए. And this is the riddle. Whoever has will be given more. जिसके पास है already उसको बहुत मिलने वाला है. And he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have, even what he has will be taken from him. जो थोड़ा बहुत उसके पास है ना वो भी उससे ले लिया जाएगा. You have to admit that when you read the passage it appears unjust. लग रहा है ना यार ये तो अनजस्टिस है. ये क्या बात हुई? जिसके पास है उसको और मिलेगा, जिसके पास नहीं है उससे वो भी ले लिया जाएगा. What is the answer? The answer is gratitude. If you are grateful for what you have, you will be given more. The God, the universe will give you more reasons to be grateful for. If you don't have 500 rupees, at least you will have 5 rupees. For that also you have to be grateful. But if you are not grateful for that 5 rupees, अगर आप उस 5 रुपए के लिए ग्रेटफुल नहीं हो, वट एवर यू हैव दैट ऑल्सो विल बी टेकन अवे. I'm not saying, Rhonda Byrne is saying. Look at this. And that is that whoever does not have even what he or she has, that also will be taken away from him. You have to admit that when you read the passage, it appears unjust, as it seems to be saying that the rich will get richer and the poor will get poorer. But there is a riddle to be solved in this passage, a mystery to uncover, and when you know it, a new world will have opened up for you. The answer to the mystery that has eluded so many for centuries is in one hidden word, and that is gratitude. Gratitude. The answer is, the answer for this riddle is gratitude. Because a heart of gratitude is a magnet of miracles. You will become the magnet of miracles. And you will be able to magnetize the things, the people, the situations that you want. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर. हुएवर हैज ग्रेटिट्यूड विल बी गिवन मोर. जिसके पास ग्रेटिट्यूड है उसको बहुत मिलने वाला है. इफ यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर मनी यू विल हैव मोर मनी. इफ यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर ब्यूटीफुल रिलेशनशिप्स यू विल हैव मोर ब्यूटीफुल रिलेशनशिप्स. इफ यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर योर करियर, वट एवर काइंड ऑफ करियर यू हैव राइट नाउ, जैसा भी आपका करियर है राइट नाउ, यू विल हैव मोर. वट एवर मनी यू हैव, you will be given more. Whatever health you have, if you are grateful for whatever kind of health you have, you will have more beautiful health. You will be fit, you will be fine, you will be strong. You will have more beautiful health. For whatever you are being grateful. Health के लिए grateful हो रहे हो, you will have more beautiful health. If you are being grateful for relationships you will have more beauty. So that is the riddle. Whoever has gratitude will be given. जिसके लिए भी आप gratitude करोगे वो आपकी जिंदगी में बढ़ता जाएगा. That is the truth. By the revelation of one hidden word, a cryptic text is made crystal clear. Now this is crystal clear. 2000 years have passed since those words were recorded, but they are as true today as they ever were. If you don't take the time to be grateful, you will never have more, and what you do have you will lose. जो आपके पास है अगर आप ग्रेटफुल नहीं हो तो वो भी चला जाएगा. एंड द प्रॉमिस ऑफ द मैजिक दैट विल हैपन विद ग्रेटिट्यूड इज इन दीज वर्ड. इफ यू आर ग्रेटफुल यू विल बी गिवन मोर एंड यू विल हैव एन abundance. From the Quran, the promise of gratitude is equally emphatic. So these words are taken from the holy book Quran. And remember, when God proclaimed, if you are grateful, I will give you more, but if you are ungrateful, verily my punishment is indeed severe. Because that also will be taken away. If you are not grateful for, you must have seen happening, all these things happening to, some of the people. One of my friends' husband, he, lost each and everything because at that time they were not being very grateful. So when they started being grateful, they again attained all those things. So that happens because we knew that time when we were earning all those things, that time we were being very grateful. But when they people had a lot many things, they were so happy and they forgot to be grateful and they lost each and everything. But they knew it. How did they people earn all those things earlier? So they again started being grateful. So again they achieved all these things. So that happens and that is the truth. Right? So we will be completing this by 10 p.m. and next we'll be reading tomorrow. So it doesn't matter what religion you follow or whatever you are religious or not, whether you are religious or not, these words from the holy scriptures and Quran apply to you and your life. They are describing a fundamental law of science and of the universe. Right? So that you have to start following. So you have, what I want to say is, the crux of the story till now, whatever we have read is, you have to be grateful. So I told you guys, without doing, and it will not happen overnight. It will happen with consistent practice. You will have to practice a lot. You will have to practice daily. Whatever things you have, whatever people you have, whatever health you have. So you have to start being grateful for each and everything. For each and everything. So how you have to do all these practices, that we will be learning day by day, slowly, gradually. Daily you will learn ki how you have to be grateful for what kind of things, what kind of लोगों का gratitude कैसे करना है, things का gratitude कैसे करना है, health के all the body parts का gratitude कैसे करना है, eyes का gratitude कैसे करना है, hands का. If you will start being grateful for your body ना, कितने दिन निकल जाएंगे. एक आंखों की ग्रेटिट्यूड लिखने बैठोगे ना, 1 घंटा तो आंखों के ग्रेटिट्यूड लिखने में निकल जाएगा. एंड यू विल बी अमेज व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट इट, व्हेन यू विल बी स्टार्टिंग बाय योर ओन, कि यार ऐसा तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं कि आंखों का भी ग्रेटिट्यूड हो सकता है. या वी आर एबल टू सी दिस ब्यूटिफुल वर्ल्ड, वी आर एबल टू सी दिस लैपटॉप, द मोबाइल, आर लव्ड वंस. कितना कुछ हम आंखों से देखते और एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, ऑल द सेंसेस. कैन यू इमेजिन द पावर ऑफ हैंड्स? कैन वी डू एनीथिंग विदाउट आवर हैंड्स? If I have to eat anything, if I have to drink anything, if I have to write anything, if I have to read anything, I have to hold anything, I have to grip anything. एक छोटी सी उंगली में भी कुछ दर्द हो जाए, कुछ पेन हो जाए ना, तो इट्स लाइक हॉरिबल. एंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक वी आर टेकिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड. पेरेंट्स को फॉर ग्रांटेड ले रहे हैं, हस्बैंड को फॉर ग्रांटेड ले रहे हैं, बच्चों को फॉर ग्रांटेड ले रहे हैं. है तो है, क्या हो गया, सबके होते हैं, सबके हस्बैंड होते हैं, सबके बच्चे होते हैं. गाइज नहीं होते हैं. उनसे पूछो जिनके नहीं होते हैं. So what I'm trying to say is we have to be grateful for each and everything, for each and every one in our life around. So we don't have to take anything or anybody for granted. Stop taking things or people or situation for granted. So we have to be grateful for each and every small and big thing in our life. Okay, so let me share once again. Yes. So it's universal law. Gratitude operates through a universal law that governs your whole life. According to the law of attraction, which governs all the energy in your universe, from the formation of an atom to the movement of the planets, like attracts like. It's because of the law of attraction that the cells of every living creature are held together, as well as the substance of every material object. In your life, the law operates on your thoughts and feelings because they are energy too. And so whatever you think, whatever you feel, you attract to you. So I told you, nothing is happening around you without your energetic invitation. Whatever people you have in your life, that is your energetic manifestation. That is your energetic invitation. And we start saying, मेरा तो husband ऐसा, मेरे तो in-laws ऐसे, मेरा तो ये वैसा, मेरा तो ये वैसा. No. Because you are attracting, your energy is attracting those kind of people in your life. Whatever you are thinking, what you think about, you bring about. Everything starts from here. Everything starts from here. I also used to say, I also used to blame and complain and criticize and judge. वो तो ऐसा, वो तो ऐसा, उसके तो कपड़े ऐसे दिखते हैं, उसके तो बाल ऐसे दिखते हैं, मेरे तो हस्बैंड ऐसा, मेरे तो. So I also used to do a lot, like every time, all these things. But before 2 years, I stopped doing all these things. And I started seeing magic happening in my life in form of people, situations, and things. Now my each and every relationship is so magical. My husband is so magical. My kids are so magical. And my life is so magical. अब हर छोटी छोटी चीज में मुझे जन्नत दिखाई देती है, जन्नत. I open my balcony and I say, wow, जन्नत. I enter, I go inside, I am able to see Jannat. My husband is magical. My kids are magical. Everywhere I can see magic happening in my life. I change my whole life 360 degree. अर्लियर तो आई यूज टू कंप्लेन अलॉट कि मदर इन लोग तो सारा दिन अपनी मम्मा को फोन करना है, मम्मा आज मम्मा ने ऐसे किया, आज मम्मी ने ऐसे किया, वैसे किया, वैसे किया, काइंड ऑफ. आई यूज टू डू ऑल दोज थिंग्स. This is because of him, this is because of her, he did this to me, she did this to me. The whole life for complete 15-16 years I used to complain, I used to blame a lot. When I realized that nothing is happening around me, nothing has a power until I give it a power. Nothing has a power until you give it a. किसी में है ही नहीं power. That is your energy. अगर आपका एनर्जी लैक का है तो आप लैक ही अट्रैक्ट करोगे. अगर आपका एनर्जी पॉजिटिव है तो आप पॉजिटिविटी अट्रैक्ट करोगे. बिकॉज लाइक अट्रैक्ट्स लाइक. People are not doing anything to you. People are just showing you the mirror. कोई हस्बैंड कोई बच्चे नहीं है, वो सब आप ही हो. कोई मदर इन लो, कोई कुछ नहीं है, वो आप ही हो. Anger is already there inside you. They people are just triggering you, and you people are like, because you people have given your remote control in their hands. They people are just pressing the button and you people are just dancing. Some people are dancing on the tune of in-laws, some people are dancing on the tune of husband, some people are dancing on the tune of kids, and some people though are dancing on the tune of their domestic help. डोमेस्टिक हेल्प चला रही है उनकी लाइफ. थोड़ा सा लेट आ गई और आप लगे कंप्लेन करने, ब्लेम करने, क्रिटिसाइज करने, यो तो ऐसी, तू तो वैसी, तेरा तो रोज का काम है, काइंड on and on and on and on and on and on. Nothing has a power until you give it a power. And nothing changes if nothing changes. If you don't change your energy, if you don't change yourself, you will start getting the same result throughout your life. And then you will say, life to change nahi ho rahi, life to aisi hoti hai. No, you have the power to change your life. So now you don't have to give your remote control to anybody. Take your remote control back. And whenever next time you feel anything negative, so what you have to do, this is my way. Would you like to know my way? How did I stop, all the negativity around me? Whenever I used to, think any negative thing, what do I do right now? I always put a gun on my head and I say, shut up, Poonam. Again, you are going to the negative direction. Because what you think about, you bring about. In a single day, we think 60,000 thoughts, and you will be surprised to know that most of our thoughts, 80-90% thoughts are negative, and 80-90% 80-90% thoughts are repetitive. What you were thinking yesterday, today also you are thinking the same, and tomorrow also you will be thinking and doing the same thing. So you will have to, because that has become the pattern. वो नेगेटिव सोचना हमारा पैटर्न बन गया है, and you will have to start changing it. And how you can change it? By deliberately working on it, by consciously working on it. So you will have to start, you will have to sit with pen and paper कि कहीं नेगेटिव थॉट तो नहीं आ रहा है. अदरवाइज व्हाट यू कैन डू इट आफ्टर एवरी 1 hour. आई यूज टू डू इट अ लॉट when I started my journey as a mindset coach. After every 1 hour, I got that reminder on my phone that what I'm thinking right now. I used to think कि पूनम अभी क्या सोच रही है, देख नेगेटिव तो नहीं है. If I caught myself that yeah, this is negative, I used to write in my notebook कि yeah, ये negative है, this I have to change. When I was saying I'm not good enough, so I was writing positive also. I am more than enough. So I started working on it. And this will not happen overnight. You will have to spend some time for each and every thought. You will have to start working on that. Because negative pattern बनने में 40-50 साल लग गए. आगे के 40-50 साल नेगेटिविटी में नहीं बिताने हैं. सो यू हैव टू चेंज ईच एंड एवरी थॉट. बिकॉज नेगेटिव सोचते रहोगे तो पूरी लाइफ नेगेटिविटी ही क्रिएट करते रहोगे इन फॉर्म ऑफ सिचुएशन, पीपल एंड थिंग्स. So think about it and start changing your life from negativity to positivity. Got
Hello,
it,
ma'am.
everyone? Got it, everyone? Okay. Yes, guys, switch on your camera, everyone, if you are there, so that we can take a picture. I hope it was good for you. You learned something from this. Yeah, hi Akshita, hi Halima, hi Bani. Yeah, good to see you
Hello,
after a long time.
ma'am.
Yeah, wait, let
Yeah,
me
ma'am.
stop recording.